Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing Snapchat spectacles that I got for only $35 on OfferUp. These are the first generation ones. I got a really good deal for $35. These originally cost $130, and he had like 3 pairs of these, and he offered $35 for me. And he also offered me $60 for 2, so I just wanted one, and he didn't have a use for them, and that's why he's selling it for so cheap. It's unopened, brand new, so I got a deal. These are brand new for $130. Let's unbox this, shall we? There we go. Ooh, that's a nice cap, triangle. I actually really like the older ones because it comes with the charging case, and it came in one of these tennis ball containers. Smells good, the container. And this is how the case itself looks. This is actually real leather. Yeah, I think that's actually real leather with the Snapchat spectacle logo. The charging port. It has like specks of black. So which way is the front? Also, it's like this. It opens up like this, magnetic. And there we go. That's how they look like. Snapchat spectacles have cameras on the left, on video, but when you put them on, it's on the right. Then the sensor right there, and it has the button right there. I got the black ones. He was selling the black ones. Pretty cool. Whoa, is that camel? No, that's not camel. And then this case itself is a wireless charging case. So the newer ones that Snapchat makes, they don't come with this case anymore. You have to like plug it in with a cable. Here, you just magnetizes and charges easily. And the inside is made of a nice soft material, felt material. Then we got the instruction manual, I think, inside. Spectacles. Oh no, how do you open this? I don't want to rip the box. How do you open this? Oh, there we go. Alright, turn on your phone's Bluetooth, activate Bluetooth, install latest version of Snapchat, look at your snap code and press the button on your spectacles once to pair. What else is inside? Oh, we got these cool cable. I like this. It's a colorful braided cable with a cleaning cloth and instruction manual. I don't think I need those. So let's grab my phone and go to the Snapchat app. Make sure you're following me. Add me on Snapchat. I think there's a option over here. It said something to do like look in your Snapchat. Oh wow. Oh, these feel nice. Plug these glasses in. It has some juice. Just click the button. It has the ring. And then open up your Snap. Okay, let's see if it works now. Click once. Ooh, there we go. It's connecting. Oh, Okay, let's call it David R. Specs. Yeah, that's cool. That's a cool nickname. Connecting to spectacles. This might take a minute. David R. Specs. That's a cool nickname. This is a cool process. And yeah, that's cool. Press once to take a 10-second video snap. Press again to extend by 10 seconds, or press and hold to stop recording. I'm taking a screenshot of each. Double tap the side to check your battery level. If you are running low, put spectacles in the charging case for a bit. Specs light up when they are charging. The charging case holds about 4 full charges for your specs. Awesome. Oh, it's at 17%. Menu, that's cool. So, what did it say? Press once to take a 10-second video. What's up? Hello. What's up? I'm on spec level. Okay, now what? How do we find the videos? Update required. Okay. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Peace out.